Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
Do you like reading books? Yes, I love reading. It helps me learn and relax. What is your favorite book? My favorite book is The Alchemist. It teaches about dreams and life. When do you read books? I read at night before sleeping. It helps me calm down. Do you prefer storybooks or textbooks? I prefer storybooks. They are more interesting and fun. Do you read every day? I try to read every day. Even 10 minutes is helpful. Where do you buy your books? I buy them online or from bookstores. I enjoy visiting bookshops. Who is your favorite author? Paulo Coelho is my favorite author. His books are inspiring. Do you share your books with others? Yes, I share them with my friends. Sharing makes reading more enjoyable. What kind of stories do you like? I like motivational and adventure stories. They keep me engaged. Would you like to write a book someday? Yes, I would love to. Writing a book is my long-term dream.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.